Hello students, in this question we have to identify the limiting reagent in different reaction mixtures. First, understand the reaction, A plus B2 gives up 2. From the balanced equation, one atom of A reacts with one molecule of B2. So, the required ratio of A to B2 is 1:1. Now let us solve each case step by step. Part 1. 300 atoms of A react with 200 molecules of B2. Required ratio is 1:1. But given ratio is 300:200. 200 molecules of B2 will react with only 200 atoms of A, so A leftover is 300 minus 200, which is 100 atoms. Therefore, B2 is completely used first. So, B2 is the limiting reagent. Part 2. 2 moles of A react with 3 moles of B2. Required ratio is 1:1. Given ratio is 2:3. For 2 moles of A, only 2 moles of B2 are required. But 3 moles are given. So, B2 is in excess. Therefore, A is the limiting reagent. Part 3. 100 atoms of A react with 100 molecules of B2. Required ratio is 1:1. Given ratio is also 1:1. So, both reactants are in exact proportion. No reactant is left. Therefore, there is no limiting reagent. Part 4. 5 moles of A react with 2.5 moles of B2. Required ratio is 1:1. Given ratio is 5:2.5, which simplifies to 2:1. Only 2.5 moles of B2 are available. So, only 2.5 moles of A can react. Remaining A is in excess. Therefore, B2 is the limiting reagent. Part 5. 2.5 moles of A react with 5 moles of B2. Required ratio is 1:1. Given ratio is 2.5:5, which is 1:2. For 2.5 moles of A, only 2.5 moles of B2 are needed. But 5 moles are given. So, B2 is in excess. Therefore, A is the limiting reagent. Final answers, Part 1, B2. Part 2, A. Part 3, no limiting reagent. Part 4, B2. Part 5, A. Remember, always compare the given ratio with the required ratio from the balanced equation. The reactant which is consumed first is the limiting reagent.